Okay, Mountain Creek, 07. Wait, that's for you, right?
Yeah. Look, it's popcorn. Okay, Samantha, don't ruin the movie.
Mountain Creek, 07. What you said? What? That's what. Yeah. Alright, now I'm gonna get soda. Anybody want? What? Hey, you want soda? You want soda?
I want soda. So, oh, hold on. Okay, so what time is it, guys? Guys, what time is it? I don't know what time it is. Anyway, so sometime in the morning. Wait, guess, Jen, what time is it?
Wait, it's 4:45.
I want a soda. What time is it? What time is it? So it's 4:47, and we're still up.
In the morning.
And anyway, so it's 4:40 something, and we're still up in the middle of the morning. We haven't slept. Well, most of us. No, me and Jen.
And
Brienne haven't slept. That's Brienne over there.
I took like a 5-minute nap.
So, I'm attempting to pull an all-nighter. Jen, are you in with me?
Yeah.
Pulling the all-nighter there?
I think you don't know right.
I want a soda. I said that like 20 times. Samantha there, she fell asleep already. Casey there, she fell asleep already.
I fell asleep for 5 minutes. Doesn't count. This does.
What?
Fall asleep, eyes closed.
Either way, you fell asleep, so you can't pull the all-nighter. You haven't fallen asleep.
Yeah, I know.
I missed that. I totally missed that.
3, 4, what?
Hold on. So,
How many sodas, y'all? Seriously.
I want a soda. I said that. Twoo. I said twoo. Look at that.
She wants a soda for you. I'm smart.
Me? Oh, okay. This is Jen. Say hi, Jen.
Yes, I'm trying to pepper.
Let's go see Connie's. Oh, look how cute she is. That's Connie. Connie's is apparently asleep, so. How have you been doing, right? Connie's. Where'd she go? There she is. That's Connie's. She'd say hi, but she's kind of fast. That's getting with the soda on his head. I wonder why. Okay. I'm dying here. If anybody sees this video, I've died. I'm on to the next slide. Jen, you have 1 bar of battery left. Okay. So, I'm standing here opening my soda. Jen, you're not getting the camera. I'm currently. She's throwing popcorn at me.
You can charge it. Ooh, movies.
We had a contest. You could get in their shirt first. Okay, but we can't currently. Oh my god! So, I have to clean up the
shit. What are you doing?
Okay, so this is my soda. You like my soda? Conker. Oh, I didn't get the soda in the shot. I was like, it's not my soda.
You want Coke?
Oh, no, no, nutrition facts. That's my
Coke. Let me get the thing. Stop.
It's upside down.
Point it to me.
It's not.
Good one.
Point it to me.
Jen, go. Casey, go. No, don't hurt her. No. Okay, so this is like a fun little Casey suitcase here. Her brand suitcase, no offense.
So what else we did tonight? We did like Bruce Lee. We did like. Did you notice that? Wait. Don't record it.
I'm not recording this. Recording this on me.
You can freaking stop my camera.
Guys, quiet.
Yeah. Wait, can you guys wait?
Hold what?